So one of the things I like to do is confirm my angle. So on this saw, it's it's got the gauge right there, but honestly this moves and you can it can be off. So you're not really positive you're getting the right angle. If you get it at 0 when you're down here, when you I like to test it with a square. See, my blade is nice and square. Then I'll move it a little bit so this is 0. Then when you move it up, you're probably pretty good. Now in this case, a 45, what I can do, I cut 2 of them and I can just lay them on the table and put them together, and you see they match really nice and they're nice and flat. So that tells me my 45 is pretty darn good, if not right on. So that's excellent. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting or rip a bunch of them. But it's always good to confirm your angles, especially if you're doing something like a star or something like that. You want to cut a few, put them together, and see if 3 of them make a 90. You know, if that's what it's supposed to be. Whatever you're supposed to get, test it before you move forward cutting up a bunch of them. So always good to check your angles with a square or some other method that you can confirm it with on the table saw. And this one has the crank, so it's not digital or anything. I know they came out with them. I've never used one of them. Probably they're cool, but you know, sometimes I just think simpler is better. And for me, this has been an awesome saw. From about 1984, I think, or 85. Probably 84, actually. It was the first major tool I bought. And I knew I wanted to do woodworking when I was in college. So as soon as I got out and had some money, this is what I purchased. Okay, let's get ripping.